Quick update, screwdrivers didn't work to wiggle this flywheel off. Sometimes, since I have basic tools, I have to get a little bit creative and do some stupid shit to get it to work. So here I am, doing stupid shit. I've made a puller out of zip ties and a fucking bottle jack, and I'm about to try it. I may look like a jackass and fail, which is more than likely, or I may look like a hero doing this, but more than likely this is gonna be a fail video, so here it goes. Oh, here's an up close look. I got zip ties going through the hole of the flywheel, up around the top of the bottle jack sitting on the crankshaft. Of course, I got a nut and a socket on there so I don't damage the threads. Whenever I jack up on this, it's gonna pull up on the zip ties. Zip ties are gonna pull the wheel up, and then I'm gonna look like a jackass when it fails. Here it goes. So I'm building some tension on it. I'm gonna give the flywheel a tiny little tap. Big hammer, tiny tap. A little more tension. Tiny tap. More tension. Tiny tap. Just give it a little tap. Tap, tap, taparoo. That's Adam Sandler. Tap, tap, taparoo. Give it a little tap. Give it some tension. I feel like I'm starting to stretch my zip ties pretty good. Any minute they're gonna snap and hit me in the face. I can probably pry up on it a little bit while I got tension on there. See if that does anything for me. I don't think so. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. The zip ties are turning.